Taking a look at stock ticker symbol CSOC. This is number 11 by Kitty88. Stock pick CSOC 0022. Now at 003. This is as of yesterday. 36% up. You're up 6.67% today. So that member picked this stock over here. So congratulations. Great job. You came through. You busted through the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average on volume picking up. And then you had another great day of volume, even more heavy volume today. I still think you're going to have room to run today. 0032. We're going to put this one on watch, guys. I mean, this one's probably got some room to run. If this volume continues, you're probably going to hit a high volume day. Nothing like that since it looks like a big sell off over here on October 14th, and then on November 29th, 2016. Correct. So that volume's picking up. You're probably the most recent day that's going to be comparable would have been the 4th. So volume and interest is definitely picking up in here. Put this one on a watch, guys, if you want to find something for a day trader. So 0.0032, again, on watch. I'm going to just put in here, has some room to move. All right, that is all I have to add for this one, Joe.
So with this one, let's see, the latest news release was on January 5th, 2017. It was safekeeping of 32 million share certificate and share structure. So let's see, the company held a meeting on December 28, 2016. A yearly plan had been set up to compensate the board members and was put in place before current management had been instated. The company decided not to compensate as it was deemed not fair for the shareholders. As such, the 32.5 million share certificate has been physically returned to Mr. Tang and no longer calculated in the float. As a result, the share float increased by 32.5 million to 142 million shares for a brief period of time. The board received and then restricted under legend this physical cert. The share float is back to 109.6 million. So the company's ambition is not driven by issuing more shares or dilution. The company feels that by maxing out the common class with restricted or legend stock, it should put the investor's mind at ease that the company cannot dilute. The company may revisit the idea of share restructuring, whereby we reduce the total issued, outstanding, and the total authorized. The company may draw from the restricted once the time restriction is lifted. However, the company is self-funded by Mr. and Mrs. Tang and does not foresee an immediate need. The proceeds that we contribute may be classified as additional paid-in capital or a loan. However, there will not be any conversions to shares since we plan to max out the authorized, ergo not having the ability to dilute in this case as well. We thank the investors and the general audience for the support via email and the cordial response with some shareholders. We strive to bring value to the company through mergers, acquisitions, and revenue stream, or obtain assets to increase the net tangible assets or intellectual property assets, or by obtaining compensation for work done in some shape or form. So the efforts of the strategy explained are for improving investor confidence. Some projects are also listed on their website. So that's basically their press release. So let me just go to their company profile and see what they do. So their name is Caduceus Software Systems. So Caduceus Software Systems Incorporated is an innovation company. It develops software design assets and technical expertise to its clients. The term Caduceus is an ancient symbol of good business commerce. The company is focused on innovation with search as a primary project and has lots of experience in IT in harsh environments. It has a passion for music and the ability for music searchability improvements. It has assets and intellectual property that has accumulated for the past 5 years and will be applied to its projects. It has projects in technology currently and has strategic alliances with the open source community. Additionally, the company has expertise in critical software and installation of hardware in harsh environment conditions. The company has staff that is trained with certifications to conduct confined space monitoring and entry. drag monitoring, teaching, and full arrest and protection to perform such installs. We are OSHA compliant. We do IT and training that not regular IT companies are regulated to do. So that is Caduceus Software Systems Corp. That's all I have right now.
All right. So if you guys checking this one out, head over to investorshangout.com/live to join into our live streams.